This is the step-by-step instruction video for the choreography for a musical, from the dance break to the kickline. So we just had some musicals have no talking at all. Head comes down, then there's a break, then you're going to hear da-da-da-dum. So it's like dee-ta-dee-ta, and the head's going to come up on beat 3. Ba-ba-da-ba-dum-bum-bum. And then we're going to have step forward, lunge forward on the right, dig, hop, step left, dig, hop. So you step on the right foot, lean forward, but keep the shoulders back and the chest open. Touch the toe to the floor and hop on the right foot. And then left foot, dig, hop. So the rhythm is going to be bum, bum, bum. So step, dig, hop, step, dig, hop, step, step. The arms are just going to go to the sides with blades. Step, dig, hop, step, dig, hop, step, step. Then we're going to go step, dig, hop, step. That's going to be in a circle. The left shoulder is going to go back like you're doing a 3-point turn, but instead of just turning steps with a step turn, you're going to step, dig, hop, turn, and then step out of the turn. Okay, so that whole thing with arms is going to be step, dig, hop, step, 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 dig, hop, step, step. And then we are going to do forward lunge, step, and then leap back to the left foot. So step forward lunge with the right, leap back to the left, touch the toe in, and you do that twice. And then step, step. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And this is just going to go hit, hit. And then you're just going to go scuff, hop, back. That's the dance break. So again, each move, the first one is just step forward, dig, step, dig. Then you're going to step, turn with a dig. Then you're going to lunge forward, step, 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 and then scuff, hop, back. So with the music, it's going to sound like this. Ba-da-da-da-da-da, sorry. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-bum, ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Then on song and dance, we're just going to sway to the right, sway, sway. Make sure it's not like this with the body, and make sure it's not like this with the hips. It's going to be move the entire upper body by moving, keeping it in line with the hips. The body, upper body's in line with the hips. So song and dance, and you're just going to turn, right shoulder back. It's like a chaîné turn or a pencil turn. Turn. So you just go up on the balls of the feet and turn on them. So that's song and dance. Then out of the turn, you're going to step back with the right foot, and the hat's going to go straight up, and it's going to be the hat band is going to be parallel to the floor. It's going to come back on the head, and then the hand's going to go down, and then lunge to the right, and then the inside of the hat is going to go up facing the audience. So that is song and dance and sweet romance on the S of, or the C, the S sound of romance. And then you're going to drag the hat in. With the musical we might have. So it's with a musical we might have. Boom. So you're going to switch the weight from the left to the right on the word have, and then touch out on the rest. So the hat's up here, lunging right. With the musical we might have. Then you're going to clap over here, like almost a 90-degree angle here, so that we keep the face to the audience. Clap here, and then the hands come down. And then we're going to have a Charleston step. Step right, kick left, step back, and then here. And then to the side. The arms go straight up to L's in jazz. And then back, here, and then hit. lunge to the right, left hand goes jazz to the hip, right hand goes Fosse fingers to the hat, and then around and throw. So that goes oohs, ahs, big applause. Everyone cheering for us. And then we're going to have hit, hit, hit. It's going to be like hit, hit, and hit with the hips. Bum, bum, ba-dum, da-dum. And then we're just going to cross, hit, boom. So it's hips, hips, and ball change across with the left foot. Then we go here with the hat, fingers on the hat, jazz hand on the hip. Now, the last part of this section, left foot crosses right, touch out to the right. Right foot crosses left, left foot touches out. Some unexplainable reason. Do a rondé-jean. So your foot's touched out left, hit it across, and then draw like a circle on the floor. Okay, so that's cross, touch, around, together. And then we're going to go chug, 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 and throw, turn. All right, so the hands there are going to be on the hat, and the hat is going to go to the shoulder on count 1, straight down across 2, back to the shoulder on 3, up here on 4, and then down to the chest, shoulders, elbows out, and then flip the hat onto the head. So it's here at the chest level, and then just one flip. It's not even a full flip. It's like, 3/4 of a flip. Boom. All right, so with the hands and the feet. 6, and so we have bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. And for some unexplainable reason, hit. The crowd goes wild every time. 2, 3, 4. So it's just shimmy, shimmy, shimmy to the front, and then throw it at a slight angle here, and then just do a pivot turn. Pivot turn to step front, pivot on the left, step back, pivot on the left. And then we have dancers kick in unison. So it's literally just step right, kick left, kick right, step right, kick left, kick right, and point the toe. Make sure they're nice and sharp. 1, hit, 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 hit. And the hands are going to be Fosse fingers on the hat, fingers nice and straight. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. You're just going to tip the hat onto 4, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have, and for some unexplainable reason, the crowd goes wild every time. 2, 3, and we have when dancers kick in unison, and then we move to a straight line for the kick line at the end. That's it for that section.